This forgotten American factory kept building windmills for generations, and somehow the old workshop survived. The factory began in Nebraska City in 1879, producing windmills for farms across America. But by the late 1800s, the company had moved into steel windmills sold under the name Eli. In 1903, Kriegel moved the factory to the building that still stands today. Inside were machines powered by belts, pulleys, shafts, and heavy mechanical tools. Workers used lathes, punch presses, saws, forges, and specialized tools to build the windmills. The factory kept producing windmills for decades, even as American technology rapidly changed around it. Then World War II changed everything. Material rationing forced windmill production to stop. After the war, the family business shifted toward water wells and pump services. And today, the building remains America's last preserved, intact, historic windmill factory.